Hello, beauty admirers. We've got someone very special for you today. This cute makeup artist will make the prettiest makeup looks. Starting off by applying foundation all over the face and blending it with a cute small beauty blender. Setting it with a loosened powder so the makeup won't crease the whole time. Taking care of the cheeks as well so the makeup looks flawless. That pink blush is looking perfect already. What do you guys think so far? Applying mascara and that light shimmery lipstick. That pink is looking perfect already. Suits her 10 pretty well. Such a sweet little girl. Get yourself ready for the next makeup look by your favorite makeup artist. Spreading that foundation all over the face for a decent coverage. Loosened powder is the key to an oil-less face. Time to add a little bit of eyeshadow on the eyes and then use a light pink crayon. Topping it off with the blue mascara, making those lashes look longer and pretty. Blush those cheeks with a little bit of pink to warm the face up. That glossy lip gloss is looking fantastic, isn't it? You must admit, she looks perfect. Rate these two makeup looks from 1 to 10.